So I just wanted to let everyone see kind of how I have to do in mass production. I've had a lot of orders on the firefly mason jar necklace. So I've taped them all across. This is probably only 2 orders, but as you can see, I have to line up every letter, and I lay down my hammer in between each hit so that I can line it up on each one. Sorry it's upside down, but I'm taping with my phone. At any rate, just thought I would show a little bit of my work. After I get finished with these are aluminum, so after I get finished with them and get the letters blackened, then I have to bake them for an hour in the oven. So the next step is taking my magic marker and coloring in all the letters. So that's how I get them black. Then I have to go through and polish each necklace with a polishing pad to get off any excess marker, sort of like, you know, when you color outside the lines, so it gets all that off. And then the next step will be hole punching. Okay, so now that I have went through and I've stamped them all, I've markered them all, I've polished them all, that's why my hands are so nasty. And now I'm going to punch a hole in each one. Okay, so I have finished baking them for an hour. So the last part, after I bake them, I have to bead the little yellow bead that we have to make it look like a firefly. I stick it over the, and then I have to actually make the loop in the wire and wrap it so that it will fit over the dragonfly and look like a firefly. Since obviously you can't find a firefly charm out there, I had to kind of create one. So I make the bead, and then I have to clip off the excess. And then make sure it's smooth and down. And then I just have to put it all together on an O-ring, which is one of those little things. So I put the dragonfly, and then the little yellow bead, close it all up, and boom, there's my little dragon, my little firefly. So then I string it all on a necklace. The necklaces I use are just your basic ball necklaces. I like using these because then people can adjust the length. All you have to do is just clip it to the length that you like. It starts out at a 24 inch. I don't like mine quite that long because it just doesn't sit in a good place for me on my neck. So I always clip mine down shorter. So that's why I use these necklaces, because they're a little more versatile. So then I put my charm that I started out with that I stamped. And then my little firefly that I made. all on the chain there. And then that is pretty much it. They are ready to go. Get it all twisted around here, right? Boom. Firefly necklace. Just wanted to let everybody know how they're made.